Hello, today I'll be talking about order of operations. Order of operations are solved in a specific order which helps us understand the equation more fluently. The way the equations are solved are in a specific order. BEDMAS. Each of the letters in BEDMAS stands for a specific first sign. The first sign you're going to be solving is brackets. And then you're going to be solving exponents. And after exponents, division. And then after division, multiplication. And after multiplication, addition and subtraction. Now we will do practice questions to help us further understand this topic. First, let's start with this problem. Bracket 10 divided by 2 minus 3 to the power of 2. So first we are going to do the division that's inside the brackets. So it's 10 divided by 2, which is now we're going to bring it down. It's going to be 5 minus 3 to the power of 2. So now we're going to do inside the bracket, and then we'll get to the exponent. So now it's going to be equals 2 to the power of 2. So now that we know that, now we can just bring out the answer because we bring it down to the last variable. So now the answer would be 4. So as you can see in this problem, we followed the order of operations. So first we did the brackets, and so in the brackets there's subtraction and division. So as you can see, division comes before subtraction. So we did the division first, and then we did the subtraction. And then we moved outside of the brackets and did the exponents. Our next problem is 4 plus 10 minus bracket 5 plus 7. So according to the order of operations, we are going to do the brackets first. So we're going to not change 4 plus 10. It's going to be the same as it was. Minus 13. And then now that we can do that, we're going to do the addition and then the subtraction. So then we're going to bring it down. It's going to be equals 14 minus 13. So then the answer equals 1. The next problem is 8 multiplied by bracket 8 minus 8 divided by 9. So now we're going to do the brackets first. So it's going to be equals 8 multiplied by 0 divided by 9. So now we're going to bring it down. It's going to be 0 divided by 9, which obviously equals 0. So our next problem is 3 to the power of 2 plus 4 divided by 2. And as you can see, exponents comes before division. So we're going to do the exponents first, and then we're going to get to the division. So now naturally we're going to bring it down. It's going to be, so the 3 to the power of 2 is going to be 9. It's going to be 9 plus 4 divided by 2. So now it's going to be 4 divided by 2 is going to be 2. So 9 plus 2 is, so now it's going to be equals 9 plus 2, which then equals 11. So the final answer would be 11. Okay, the next problem is bracket 5 minus 8 divided by 8 bracket multiplied by 4. So in the bracket, we're going to do the division first because it comes before subtraction. And then we're going to do subtraction, then we're going to move outside the brackets and do the multiplication. So it's going to equal bracket 5 minus 1 multiplied by 4. So we're going to bring it down. It's going to be 4 multiplied by 4, which obviously equals 16. So the final answer would be 16. The next problem is 5 plus 6 minus bracket 8 minus 6. So the first thing we're going to do is do the brackets first. So it's going to be 8 minus 6. So we're not going to change the 5 plus 6. So we're going to bring it down the same as it was, minus 2. So now we're going to bring it down. It's going to be 5 plus 6, which is going to be 11. 11 minus 2. So then 11 minus 2 equals 9. So the final answer would be 9. This problem is a bit more complex. 5 multiplied by bracket 6 divided by 6 to the power of 3. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna do the bracket. So it's gonna be, we're not gonna change the 5, so it's gonna be 5 multiplied by 1 to the power of 3. So we're going to do the exponents first. So, because that's how it comes in, the exponents is before the multiplication. So it's going to be 1 to the power of 3, which is going to be, 5 is not going to change. So it's going to be 5 multiplied by 1, which equals 5. So the final answer would be 5. The next problem is a bit more complex. It's 6 divided by 1 to the power of 3 divided by 1. So as we can see on our order of operations, that exponents comes before division. So according to the rules, we must do the exponent before we get to the division. So the power would be, it would be 6 divided by 1 to the power, 3 divided by 1 is going to be 1 to the power of 3. So then we're going to do the exponents first. It's going to be 6 divided by 1, which obviously equals 6. So that's how we got to the final answer, 6. The next problem is bracket 5 minus 8 divided by 8 multiplied by 4. So to do this, we're going to do the brackets. So we're going to do the division inside the brackets first. It's going to be 5 minus 1 multiplied by 4. When we're going to bring it down, it's going to be 4 multiplied by 4, which obviously equals 16. So the final answer is 16. Okay, the next question is on its own because it's just exponents and it's a bit more complex than the others. And the question is 1 to the power of 6 minus 3 divided by 3. So according to the order of operations, we're going to do the division first, and then we're going to get to the subtraction, and then we're going to finish it off. So now it's going to be equal 1 to the power of 6 minus 1, because 3 divided by 3 equals 1. So then we're going to bring it down. It's going to be 1 to the power of 5. So as you obviously, 1 to the power of anything equals 1. That's the final answer.